In this video, I'm going to show you how you can skip a slide in Google Slides. Essentially, this feature allows you to skip one or multiple slides when you are presenting the presentation. Let's say I have this document and I want to skip the slide number 3. So I want to jump from number 2 to number 4, and number 3 won't be visible when I'm presenting the document. What you need to do is to right-click on the slide and then click Skip Slide. You'll see that the slide thumbnail is grayed out and there is an eye icon being crossed, meaning that this slide in particular won't be visible when you are presenting the presentation. So just remember that this is page number 2 and 3 and then 4. 2, 3, 4. So if I go to slideshow, if I present the document, you will see that it will skip the slide number 3. I'm going to just click here and yeah. Now this is slide number 4. If I go back, it skips number 3 and just go to number 2 instead. And that's essentially how you can skip a slide in Google Docs. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.